Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world, covering an immense land area of approximately 8.5 million square kilometers. It is the largest country in South America, taking up nearly half of the continent's total landmass. Brazil's size is so vast that it is bigger than the entire European Union combined. To put it into perspective, Brazil is larger than the contiguous United States, which includes 48 of the 50 US states. It stretches over 43,395 kilometers from north to south and spans about 4,319 kilometers from east to west. Brazil's immense landmass makes it one of the most geographically diverse countries on Earth. It shares borders with 10 different countries, making it the country with the most land neighbors in South America. Only Chile and Ecuador do not share a border with Brazil, while every other South American nation does. If Brazil were a continent, it would rank as the seventh largest, just behind Australia. Its massive size means that Brazil has several different climate zones, ranging from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. The Amazon rainforest, which is the largest rainforest in the world, covers more than 60% of Brazil's territory. This rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth because it produces a significant portion of the world's oxygen. Brazil's territory also includes vast wetlands, enormous plateaus, and coastal beaches stretching over 7,491 kilometers. One of the most fascinating facts about Brazil is that it has 3 different time zones due to its massive size. Despite its vast landmass, Brazil is home to only one major desert, the Caatinga, which experiences extreme droughts. With over 216 million people, Brazil is the 6th most populous country in the world. It is home to the largest Portuguese-speaking population on the planet, making it unique in South America. Brazil is so large that if it were split in half, each half would still be among the world's top 10 largest countries. One of the largest states in Brazil, Amazonas, is bigger than France, Spain, Sweden, and Greece combined. The entire United Kingdom could fit into Brazil about 35 times, showcasing its immense scale. If Brazil were a US state, it would be nearly 11 times larger than Texas, the second largest US state. Its vast size also means Brazil has an incredible variety of wildlife, including jaguars, macaws, anacondas, and pink river dolphins. Brazil's Pantanal region is the largest tropical wetland in the world, covering over 210,000 square kilometers. Due to its size, Brazil experiences both extreme heat and freezing temperatures, depending on the region. Some parts of southern Brazil even see snowfall in the winter, which surprises many people unfamiliar with its climate diversity. Brazil's massive land area allows it to be one of the world's largest producers of coffee, soybeans, beef, and oranges. The Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, flows through Brazil, stretching over 6,575 kilometers. This river is so large that it carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Brazil's coastline is lined with over 2,000 beaches and some of the most stunning tropical islands in the world. One of the most famous locations in Brazil is Rio de Janeiro, home to the world-renowned Christ the Redeemer statue. Brazil's vast size also means it contains some of the most remote and unexplored areas on the planet. There are still indigenous tribes living deep in the Amazon that have little to no contact with the outside world. The Brazilian highlands cover most of the country's central and southeastern regions, consisting of plateaus and rolling hills. Brazil is also home to some of the tallest waterfalls on Earth, including the stunning Iguaçu Falls. The country has the largest hydroelectric dam in the world by energy production, the Itaipu Dam, which provides electricity to millions. Brazil is so large that its climate ranges from equatorial in the north to temperate in the far south. Despite its enormous size, Brazil has only one major mountain range, the Serra do Mar and Serra da Mantiqueira. The Pico da Neblina, Brazil's highest peak, stands at 2,995 meters, 9,826 feet, and is often covered in clouds. Due to its location in the southern hemisphere, Brazil experiences opposite seasons compared to North America and Europe. Because of its vast forests, Brazil holds about 12% of the world's fresh water, making it an essential water resource. If Brazil were its own continent, it would still be the 10th largest continent on Earth by size. One of Brazil's most astonishing features is that it contains over 60% of all known plant and animal species in the world. The Amazon basin alone has more biodiversity than any other place on Earth, with new species still being discovered today. Brazil's massive size and resources make it one of the world's top economies, heavily dependent on agriculture, mining, and industry. It is so large that the distance between its northern and southernmost points is almost the same as the distance from New York to London. The Brazilian road network is the fourth largest in the world, spanning over 1.7 million kilometers. Brazil's national parks and protected areas cover more than 25% of its total land area, preserving its rich ecosystems. The country has over 300 indigenous tribes, each with its own language, customs, and deep connection to the land. Brazil's incredible size allows it to be one of the world's leading energy producers, with vast reserves of oil and natural gas. With its massive coastline and rich marine biodiversity, Brazil is a hotspot for whale migrations and coral reef ecosystems. Due to its large area, Brazil experiences more than 60 different ecosystems, each with its own unique plant and animal life. Some of the most venomous creatures in the world, including the golden lancehead viper, are found only in Brazil. Brazil has more freshwater fish species than any other country, with over 3,000 different kinds of fish swimming through its rivers. The country's rainforest is so vast that some scientists call it Earth's last frontier due to its unexplored depths. Despite its massive land area, Brazil only has 27 states, with the Amazon region covering more than 5 of them combined. Brazil's sheer scale means that no single visit is enough to explore all of its landscapes, cultures, and natural wonders. With its massive landmass, Brazil is likely to remain the 5th largest country for centuries to come. Its size, biodiversity, and cultural richness make it one of the most fascinating and complex nations on Earth.